are taking a look at the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan kit from Aoshima. It can be 1/24 scale curbside kit. This got released a while ago. It just took me forever to get it over here, but it's here today and we are going to take a look at it. And it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So this is going to be a much more simplified version of their Huracan kit. It's going to be basically easier to assemble. It also has a ride height adjustment gimmick, as they call it, so you can raise and lower the ride height however you please. This is version 1. They released a second version, or version 2, of this kit that has a different set of wheels and a wing. Are the noticeable differences. Let's check it out. And now, getting started with the body. As you can see, it is molded in red. And now we're going to take a look at the parts, or the body parts tree. As you can see, everything is molded in red as well, obviously. And one other piece molded in red will be the brake calipers. Those two are molded in red. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree. And then you see chassis, a lot of the underside details molded in. Now, there's really not a whole lot of underside detail that would be separate anyways, even on the glue kit. It is molded in gray. There's going to be the so this is kind of like the interior tub there. And on this side we have interior parts. We have dash, rear bulkhead, door panels, center console, seats. And moving on to the next parts tree, this one is body pieces of the various bits. This one is molded in black. So up here at the top you have a front spoiler piece, diffuser, grill insert piece, headlight piece there, cowl with the wipers, rear grill piece. Rear grills looks like. And this will be the rear ducktail spoiler piece. And moving on to the next parts tree from that bag, this will be, looks like this will be suspension pieces, part of the suspension pieces, and how they're, and can I get an idea how they're adjusted. Now we're going to take a look at the wheels, which you can see are 2-piece wheels. You have the lips, or the rings as a separate piece, and they're kind of like a shiny molded in color black, just a glossy black. And you got the wheels here. Which are in a flat black color. And now we're going to take a look at the tires, which you can see they are pre-camber tires. And now taking a look at the brake rotors, which are molded in like metallic, like a light metallic gunmetal color. Now we're going to turn our attention to the chrome parts tree. So you have a little bit of pieces there. Not a whole lot on the chrome parts tree. Mirror faces, exhaust, the exhaust pipes, the exhaust tips, excuse me. And here you have the taillight back pieces, headlight lenses, or excuse me, headlights, the headlight projectors here, and the mirror faces here. And now we're going to take a look at the clear parts. First we'll start with the main parts tree, main window clear parts tree. No, you're not deceiving, nothing's wrong. It is molded in a very tinted blue, a light tinted blue. So here you have the taillight, part of the taillight panel, headlight lenses. You have the windshield and the side windows. And you have some of the transparent red taillight pieces. Well, the pieces that need to be red are done red for you. And now we're taking a look at the last bit of stuff to look at. First, there is an announcement in the box for a photo contest they held back in August. After the kit was released, that's how far behind I am on getting this over here and what's in the box. Video done on it. Could have built it for the photo contest. Sticker sheet here. If you make it out for the windows, it's a trim sticker sheet. Decal sheet done in our sticker sheet done. So you have window trim pieces, stickers here. Basically, the idea with this kit is you don't have to really paint anything if you don't really want to. A decal sheet. So you have tire decals. This is where you have all the LB Works decals. And another sticker sheet, which basically is a lot of what was on the decal sheet is here on the sticker sheet as well. Minus the tire decals. That won't really work. And a couple other pieces. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the LB Works Huracan kit from Aoshima version 1. This is kind of cool, actually. The cover of the instruction book, kind of neat, actually. I like that. Ooh, we got a full color instruction book to look at. So there's the decal sticker layout. Too many to say that. Over here, the suspension. Not a bad idea. I kind of like the idea of a simplified. Yes, I suppose if you want to get yourself some Lamborghini Huracan paint, you know where to go. Scalefinishes. You know, Jameson. I know he can get you some mixed up because he has for me in the past. I might still have some Huracan paint left over too. This is interesting. Telling you where to paint if you want to detail paint. That's kind of nice. Kind of neat. Full color too. I'm really impressed with this instruction booklet. Very nice. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.